Let's say suppose I want to know what is the product ID of piano. So can I use VLOOKUP here? So we have piano and I want to know what the product ID of piano. Now the thing is like you cannot get it until unless like you transform product ID to here or here, you will not be able to get it because the VLOOKUP will take the first column. The product name is the second column, so you cannot get it. Right? What we have is we have a very wonderful technique for that, and that is we call as match and index. Right? So what does match do is match will give you the row number which is matching row number. Okay. As an example, suppose I want to know piano, what I will do is I will say match. What is our value? Lookup value is piano. And you have to tell which is your lookup array. Right? So please note that our lookup array is this. Okay. So from remote to guitar, or you can also put here, let's say from product name to guitar, whatever the way you want, that is your array. But please note that you should make it consistent. If you are using the header, always ensure that in index also you use the header. If you are not using the header, if you are using only from remote to guitar, make sure that you do not use the header in index also. Let's say suppose if I want to use with header, right? So I have given this is my lookup array, right? And then I have what is my match type. Match type here is less than, greater than, exact match. So it can be used for numbers also. Let's say suppose I say exact match. See what it has done. Okay. It has given me 8 as the value. So see how it is coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So it is saying me that piano is 8th number in the table. So its serial number is 8 in this table because we had given this as the table to search for. Right? Once this number is there, once this 8 number is there, okay, what I can do is I can then select this table. Then I can select this table and I say that in this table give me the value of 8th number row. So see how it will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8th number row the value will be given. Right? Through what? Through index. So what we have done is first we have used match. Match produce a index value. Okay, the serial number. Okay, that serial number will be fed in index and we will be able to get the product ID or whatever is the value of row. That is what we are interested. So let's see, we'll feed that value. So I will put this index. See in index, what is that? What they are taking? Index takes array. Okay. Right. So first you have to give array. So where you want to search. So let's say suppose I am searching it over here. Then it is asking for row number. What is the row number? Row number will come from here, the match value. So we are saying that 8th is a match value. Right? And then you have to provide which column number you are going to look in for. So note that because I have given only one array, only one array from here to here. So this is my column number 1. So I will say 1 is the column number. So I will say 1 and then I will press enter. See this, I have got 54. So 54 is the value of the product ID of piano. So what I can do is, let's say I can put piano over here and instead of searching like this, I can search piano. Right? So I know that this is a product ID. Now instead of piano, if I put TFT, the product ID changes to 85. See, it is exactly giving me the product ID. If I change this to shoe, it is giving me the product ID of the shoe. Right? So you can see that you can get all the various data product ID as per your requirement. So the idea is very simple. You do match first, then whatever the outcome of the match, you do index. Right? So here what I did was I did here first match and then I did here index. Right? So I have done it in 2 steps. Okay. Usually what happens is this 2-step is not being done by the professionals, right? So they should be able to do the same thing in one single cell, right? So what we can do is we can use this formula as nested formula. Nested means one formula is inside another. So let's say suppose what I'll do is first, always whenever you are doing nested match index, you start with the inner value. So what we have is, if you see inside index, I have the match, right? So first what I will do is I will produce the value of match, and then I will wrap it with the index. So we will do first match. So we are saying that our lookup value is this, and we are going to look up here. Note that I did that time with the heading. We will do without heading now, let's say, and we are saying that it should be exact match. So see this, now the value is 3. Here with the heading the value was 4. Right? Now what I will do is I will put the index. So I will do the index. Okay. So index, then you have to show the array. So array is, this will be your array, comma, match value is there, comma, then column number which is 1. So you will see, so you have got the same value, right? So this is much elegant. This is much elegant, better than your two-step process, right? But when you are starting with that, you should do single step process first. So match and then index. So then start with the nested one, right? But you should ideally be looking to solve this in a nested approach.